Alright class, today we are doing algebra.
Miss Martin, can I use the bathroom?
Sure, you need to come back at 5 minutes. So don't be late.
Thank you. Oh, I have an idea. I'm going to pull the fire alarm so I can prank everyone at school.
Oh no. There's the fire alarm. Okay boys, remember line up in a single line. So let's go. Alright everyone, we are outside. Let's just wait until the fire alarm goes off.
Okay. But wait, where's Kevin?
I'm here, guys. Sorry I'm late.
Oh thank goodness you're here. What have you been?
I was just coming out of the bathroom, so that's why I'm here very late.
Okay, we were just wondering where you were. Now get in line until the fire alarm goes off. Okay, now we are back to class. Let's get back to.
Attention all students, teachers, and staff. It was recently came to my attention that someone has pulled the fire alarm. Whoever the person is, report to my office immediately. So Kevin, what brings you here in my office?
I was the one who pulled the fire alarm at school.
Kevin, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it, you are suspended for 3 weeks. Go home right now.
Kevin, me and your mother can't believe that you pulled the fire alarm at school. You know that fire drills are meant to be taken seriously.
That's it, you are grounded until suspension is over. Go to your room right now.
Why?